2022 Cadillac XT4. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling, along with side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.